Switching to a new phone is exciting, but the last thing you want is to be locked out of your money. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to log into your existing Cash App account on your new device, so you can access your funds instantly and securely. Step 1. Open your device's App Store and download the Cash App. If you already have it pre-installed, you can skip this step. Just search for Cash App and tap Install. Once it's installed, open the Cash App. You'll be greeted by the welcome screen. Since you already have an account, do not enter your phone number or email here. Instead, look for the tiny text that says Login and tap on it. Tapping Login will bring you to the sign-in page. Here, you will enter the phone number or email address that is directly linked to your existing Cash App account. This is crucial. Use the information you originally signed up with. After entering your email or phone number, Cash App will send a temporary login code. Keep an eye on your SMS messages or email inbox for a message from Cash App. Step 3. Retrieve that code and enter it into the prompt on your phone. This code verifies that you are the rightful owner of the account, so never share it with anyone. And that's it. You should now be successfully logged into your Cash App account on your new phone. You'll see your balance and full transaction history, just like on your old device.